I'm Daniel with BlueStone Supply, and we run the websites bluestonesupply.com and gabionssupply.com. So I'd like to welcome you to BlueStone Bytes. So these are going to be short episodes where we're going to either give product demonstrations, discuss new products, or answer any common questions that we get. So today's episode is going to be on our 13.5 gauge Gabion tie wire. This tie wire is available in galvanized or PVC coated versions, and it is used generally for assembling our Duraflex Gabion baskets, which are twisted mesh baskets. This is going to be the included fastening method with all of our standard orders, but it's also can be used with our DuraWeld custom welded wire Gabion baskets, especially smaller orders. It's going to allow you to not have to invest in an expensive hog green gun, but then also can give you a nice look at the end by having a tighter seam along the edge of the basket. So the first step is to cut the piece of tie wire that you need for the seam. That's going to be about 1.5 to 2 times the length of the seam. And then you're going to start by fastening the tie wire at the corner. And so usually we just twist that over. And then you're going to start, and you're going to alternate between a double loop and a single loop at every mesh opening. This is going to be a little bit different than a standard basket because these are our Gabion pillows, which are made from our mattress mesh. And what it does is it basically gives you a small Gabion that even when it's full, you can still install by hand. So it's not going to have the selvage, which is like the extra wire along the edge like a standard basket will have, but still can show you, the method that we're using. So what we're going to do is we're going to alternate between a double and a single loop. Each loop, you want to make sure that you are pulling it as tight as possible to have an incredibly tight seam on there. And you're going to go back and forth, alternating, and you want to make sure you start and end with a double loop. All right, so now that we're at the end, we're going to cut off the excess slack and then bend the edge around to secure the end of the tie rope or the tie wire in place. And we are ready to fill this pillow now. All right, well, thank you for watching. We plan on having a lot more episodes, so please subscribe and you'll get notified whenever we have new videos come out. And if you have any ideas or questions you'd like answered, just leave them in the comments and we will have an episode on that topic in the future. Thank you.